Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the battery. Then let's tap on battery style and energy percentage. And as you can see right here, we've got the energy percentage, and in the horizontal option, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So right now I've got show inside battery icon, and as you can see, the percentage is indeed inside the battery. We can show it outside the battery icon, and it is on the right, and do not show it at all. We can also use a vertical style, and as you can see now, the percentage options are limited into 2, so we can either do not show it at all or show it outside the battery icon. So obviously choose the battery style which you like the most and the percentage where you'd like to show it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.